Curb ramp compliance no longer requires crews to spend hours collecting manual measurements in busy intersections. With Trimble Business Center, you can automate the process directly from your point cloud data, safely from the office. The ramp analysis tool uses your point cloud data to define each ramp using simple anchor points. Once you've selected your ramp type, you can begin placing your nodes directly onto the point cloud, quickly establishing the analysis area while maintaining full control over your placement. Because you're working in a full 3D environment, you can navigate freely around your point cloud to verify and refine your node locations. Once defined, TBC calculates the required slopes and dimensions, then scans the surface to identify vertical discontinuities and highlight potential tripping hazards directly on the 3D model. As a hardware-agnostic tool, you can seamlessly transition from high-precision terrestrial scans to large-scale mobile mapping datasets like the Trimble MX series. By overlaying camera imagery directly onto the point cloud, you gain clear real-world context, allowing you to easily fine-tune your node placement and dial in exact ramp boundaries before extraction. Because every agency has different requirements, you can use the built-in questionnaire to fill out specific ramp metadata and answer qualitative compliance questions tailored to your reporting guidelines. When you're finished, TBC compiles your measurements, questionnaire responses, and site imagery into a professional compliance report, ready to share. Whether you're analyzing a single ramp or batch generating reports across an entire project, TBC streamlines the workflow from assessment to final deliverable. Analyze faster, scale further, and deliver results with confidence.